ఉడకతో 3 months పెట్టాము 10 costing ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా
అక్కడ కూడా 3 lakhs చేసాం
3 lakhs
3 lakh shots.
So I have got a breakdown history from the production report. In the last 100 days, how many times this machine went into a breakdown? So now whether I should take it from the production report or whether I should take it from the mobile thing, that we will decide. But this is how I can now get you the complete history as to what and where the machine had a breakdown, who was the operator, etc., etc. So that is also something that we have done.
But whether we do it in mobile, whether we do it here, so
we'll
the
see.
combined report will come.
Yeah, we can. So we'll see how to do it. So I'm not getting onto the reporting side right now. Let us first finish capturing the preventive breakdown, preventive maintenance, and the reports that you want, so that you ensure that your breakdown comes down. Akshada, there was some place where we were taking, in this breakdown report, we write, no, what is the corrective action taken, preventive action taken? Yeah, in this report. So in this report, from the maintenance module, you were asking of corrective action, preventive action. So this I have done in this desktop version. So whatever reports are, complaints are logged in the mobile, we can write down the corrective, preventive action and the complete details out here on this form. Whatever was recorded in the mobile, you can see it out here.
Okay. So whatever we do it in the mobile can be seen here as well.
Right. So that's how I intend to integrate the two. So what will happen is all the breakdown. So this is not for preventive. This is for the breakdown. All the breakdowns reported through mobile will appear here, and you can write down your corrective, preventive actions out.
Okay.
And record it. So you basically wanted a more detailed history, which we are unable to do on the mobile because it's very cumbersome to enter so much data on the mobile. So that you can fill it up here.
Okay.
So this is what my proposal is.
Any other reports, maintenance reports? What
no,
are
I'm not. So see, this I'm developing for you. So the idea was that I did the checklist, and the other part I want to make the workflow as per your requirement, and then we'll make the reports also accordingly. We may need reports as to how many times a machine breaks down for the same reason. You may want to build a query module, and I'll help you build it up.
Correct. Okay. So what I will do, I'll make a note of all the points, whatever I need. So, and then kind of check and all that. So I'll send you a note. So accordingly, you can improvise, and then we can have a giant call.
Sure. So now what you should do is tell me what the workflow should be. The masters and recording is done. How you want the workflow? That means how do we prepare the calendar at the start, etc., and then we will set it up for you.
Correct. So you want me to tell now the workflow and all?
Yes, I want it from you.
Okay. So see, basically workflow, how it goes.
Can you know? I would bet it's better that you document it.
No, I document it. So that is what I'm saying. I will send a complete.
Okay.
I will send a complete note. Maybe today or by tomorrow, I will be able to send a note. So what kind of process steps I want and all that. So if that okay, that is okay. Otherwise, if you want me to tell now, I can spell out something.
I think I'll tell you why. My own personal experience now, for everything, even when we are doing any change, we first send it in writing. And I realize that when we write, all the ifs and buts pop up. And you will, and when you have it in writing, I will also raise my questions and send the same thing back to you. So, and then it can also be circulated. So it makes it easier. So writing
Correct.
step by step makes it definitely better for development. Otherwise, all software development stretches from 1 month to 4 months. Because, you know, this time for the mobile app, I actually drew each and every screen and gave it to Kannan before I even started writing a code. So even to you, I have done the basic homework. Now you give me the workflow and I will again draw screens, send it to you for approval, and only then I'll start my further coding.
Okay, not an issue. If possible, today I don't think it is
Yeah, give it to
possible.
me today or tomorrow. Is tomorrow
But
okay?
tomorrow I'll be able to some
All right.
details to you.
All right. All right.
Okay, Liliji.
Okay, then. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Akshada, thanks. Thank you very much.